From Silicon Valley to Shanghai and everywhere in between, innovation is happening all over. Here's a snapshot of some exciting new technologies in development around the world. We begin our travels in Nashville, home of a machine with a knack for finding people. One person in particular actually, the star of the popular children's book series Where's Waldo? Marketing firm Red Pepper had a little fun making Google's machine learning software relatable to the average person. They loaded images of Waldo into the platform so the algorithm could identify the bespectacled traveler. Then they hooked up the software to a robotic arm and camera and placed a copy of a Where's Waldo book in front of it. The device snaps a photo of the page, analyzes the faces in search of Waldo, and has the robot point to his location once spotted. The machine's best time is about 4.5 seconds, better than most 5-year-olds, but no match for most older kids. It demonstrates the value of the machine learning program and that programming doesn't have to be boring. Mimicking our eyes isn't the only thing AI is learning how to do. Over in London, an algorithm is being trained to imitate our taste buds. The team at Intelligent X is using artificial intelligence to create great-tasting beer. The AI taps into a database of ingredients and some brewing know-how handed down from the pros. From there, it drafts a recipe it believes will taste good. Intelligent X gives that brew a small test run with real customers who provide feedback on the taste through an app. The algorithm uses that input to refine its recipe until it's found a winning combination ready for the mass market. The idea is to drastically reduce the time and effort needed to discover hit brews, and we can all raise a glass to that. We cross the English Channel to our final destination of Belgium. It's here a technology critical to the Internet of Things revolution is quietly being developed. Researchers at IMEC are working on smart sensors made out of plastic foil instead of silicone. They'll be extremely thin, flexible, and cheap to produce in large volumes. This will make it possible to stick them onto disposable products like food, something that can't be done with today's chips. For example, plastic smart tags can be applied to food labels to give instant information about the item's freshness and nutritional value. They could also find their way into clothing to verify their authenticity and on pharmaceuticals to track proper dosages. In short, everything will be connected to the internet and we'll all be the wiser for it. And that's our wrap of the top innovations from around the world.